Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the console and confirming firmware is current. This prevents connection glitches. Once done, check controller compatibility and charge levels so pairing won't fail mid-process. Make sure you have a USB to USB-C or the appropriate cable ready, and position controllers within 1 meter of the console for reliable signal strength. These first steps reduce errors and speed up pairing, so do them before attempting any sync or wireless setup procedures. You now put the console into pairing mode and press the controller's sync button. Hold it until the LED blinks rapidly, which signals discoverable mode. Once the console detects the device, confirm and assign it to a player slot so that inputs map correctly. If you need wired setup, connect the cable and the console will often register the controller automatically. Make sure to remove the cable once wireless is configured. This step completes the core connection and readies your controller for testing. You finish by testing every button, stick, and vibration feature in the system settings to verify full functionality. This confirms mapping and calibration. If inputs feel laggy or drop out, reboot the console and reattempt pairing. Reboots clear temporary interference. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform a controller factory reset and retry. Interference from nearby devices can also block sync, so move Bluetooth devices away. One key tip: unplug USB hubs and use direct ports to eliminate common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.